Hey everybody, it's me again, Darren Young, the 24/7 Realtor, Remax Go. I want to tell you about one of my other books that I have written and published, and it's the Selling Secrets that you can't afford to miss. You gotta check it out. You gotta read my book. It's gonna give you some great tips and tricks and pointers when you're listing your home. It is available in a paperback version, which I'll be happy to deliver to you in person, or you can just click below this video and there is, just put in some information about yourself and it's yours. It's in a ebook version, electronic version. You can actually turn the pages just like a regular book and take a look at it. It's got some great information, and looking forward to helping you anytime.